You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name and Italian name. Of course, a clothing fashion company. For more names from fashion and design, make sure to stay tuned. Massimo Dutti. I think it's a Spanish premium clothing brand. But yeah, the name is definitely Italian. Massimo Dutti is how you'd say it in Italian. Massimo Dutti in Spanish. Massimo Dutti. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.